What's up, guys, and welcome back. And easy to right guy, but he's that link. And in today's video, that I will be doing is I'll be showing you how to make at least $1,161 a month, and you can actually make this money for free without paying a dime, without spending a dime online. All right. So we're in Nigeria, in Africa, if you're in any part of the world and looking for ways to make money online, this video is dedicated to everyone online, but most especially to Nigerians who are looking for a way to make money online, especially this time around that things are really on the top side, and dollar is about 1,500 naira. If you're going to make this amount of money, you're making a lot of money. I'm going to show you how this particular method works. So let's see about this method. All right. First thing it says is, stop if you're too lazy and you're ready to make money online, all right? So I am not someone that will preach and tell you that you're not going to do the work, all right? So in this particular strategy, you're going to be ready to put in the work. It's not going to be a little, it's not going to be something very, very hard. It's actually very easy, but you should be ready to put in the work when you're going to work, all right? So if you're not ready to put in the work, be sure to skip this video and get into the next one, right? But if you're ready to put in the work, continue watching the video and let's get into the next one, all right? So you say, this method works worldwide. Exactly, it works worldwide. I've said this before, and it is easy to replicate. What I'm going to show you in this particular video is something that I've done, and it's something I knew that it really works. So you can actually do the exact same thing that I'm going to show you in this particular video, and you get to the point where you make money online. Easy peasy, right? So the next one says, all you have to do is pay close attention and follow the step-by-step process, right? So like, it's going to be a series of steps, right? So the first step I show you, make sure you follow it. And if at any point you get confused, getting confused, be sure to come back and watch this video, and you don't skip any part, so you don't miss the part that will help make the money, right? So now let's go and explain what we're going to do. Basically, this is just about this method. Let's explain what we're going to do, and we're going to rush it quickly, and we're going to do this, right? So basically, there are people who own businesses online. They may own like they may own courses, and they want to reach a greater audience, or they own a particular business, but they want to reach a greater audience, or they are affiliate marketers and they are selling a particular product. So we're representing these people with A, right? I know A is not really okay, but yeah. So these people, Mr. A or Mr. and Mrs. A, they are selling a particular product, all right? And they want to reach a particular audience. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to help them reach a particular audience. Now, we're not going to be doing a lot of work. We're actually going to give them the tool that's going to help them reach a particular audience, right? So we meet these people and we give them this tool. We meet them directly. We're not going to scatter the word across. We're going to meet them directly, and we give them this tool that's going to help them reach a greater audience. This tool is actually going to help them to convert. Like, if they own website that the product is on, this will actually help them get people who are going to see the product to actually buy the product. It's that easy, right? So we're going to show them this product, all right? So what we're going to do right now, that's the first step. You understand how it works. We sell this product to them. I show you how you're going to sell this product to them. It's easy. Right now, you're going to sell the product to them. And what I said earlier, if you're not ready to put in the work, skip this video right now. Okay, so now that you're still watching it, it means you're ready to put in the work, right? So I'm going to show you the product, right? This product right here is called useproof.com, right? This is actually a website that actually does this, all right? It's more like a tool, right? So the tool is called useproof.com, right? So when you get to useproof.com, you see that they say, boost your website conversions by 15% in under 15 minutes. Right? So it means that if a particular business is already earning about 300%, or about, if they're earning about $4,000 in a month, it actually help them increase the earning by 15%, by 15% in 15 minutes. And it's great. Now, you're not going to put in the work. You're not going to be putting in the work. You're not going to want to do the work for them. You're just going to help give them the tool. And once they get the tool, this works for them. All right? It's pretty that simple. It's really that easy. And you can see that this particular platform is trusted by the world's fastest growing companies, including Ofra and Deepak. This one right here, Accuse, Digital Marketer, Bench, and Client Boost, and Found Out. It's really a great platform because it is trusted. Not because it's just trusted, but because they've been in business for a very long time, right? And you can check them out on Trustpilot, and you can see that they are really doing great, all right? And one thing about this particular platform is that they have the part right here where you get to try out their products for free. Right. So if you're going to give your audience, if you're going to give people who need this particular tool, this tool right here, if you're going to give it to them, they can actually try this particular product for free. So now, one thing about trying this particular product for free is that if they try it for free, it's going to help increase their conversion rate. So if it does increase the conversion rate, automatically they'll be enticed to actually pay for it. And now the good thing about this particular platform is that you win. Let me buy this product. Because it's actually a good product, they will actually auto renew their subscription. So when they auto renew their subscription, they're still going to get recurring commissions. Do you understand right now? So you sell a particular product, you sell this particular tool to them, and you keep getting recurring commission when they sign up again and again and again. So we're actually making money on autopilot. All right. So we actually go ahead and check the pricing. All right. So they actually go ahead and check the pricing and see the price for this. So they charge about $79 per month. They charge about $79 per month. All right. Now, before I continue, I'm going to open this. I'm going to show you how we're going to be able to make money with this platform, because I know that's what we want to do, right? You don't want to sign up for this platform and then just waste the time. You know how we're going to make money with this platform. So what I have to do is we're going to come back to this pricing section, but let me show you guys how you can sign up and start making money ASAP. So let me just scroll all the way down, go over right here where we'll have partners, and I'm going to open this in a new tab. So open this in a new tab, and this is it. It's going to lit up right now. So see, when you open that in a new tab, we're going to see we'll have proof.partnerstack.com. That's the link. All right. Remember I said, so the bottom page, you see partners, and you open a new tab, or you open it directly, and you're going to see this, and you're going to see join now. All right. We want to start making money. Just click on join now, or you can actually just scroll the way down and see this join now right here, and you join, and you can say this thing. All right. This is the most interesting thing about this platform that I love so much. And this is how you can actually make $1,161 per month once you make sales. All right. So you actually earn about 30% of the product you get to sell. All right. 30% of this. Right. So if someone is actually looking for, now let's get back to the pricing. All right, so this is the pricing section, all right? So for someone who wants, for a business, if you're going to reach out to business, this business, they don't just want 10K visitors or 10K visits in a particular month. They want more than 10K. They want about 50K to 350K, which is a lot, right? So now look at this. If we get this to 50K, which is at least what they want for a particular month, they're going to be charged $189 per month. And you're earning what? 30%. Right? You're earning 30%. Now, I'm going to show you now. I've shown you this platform right now. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to actually get to the point you start selling this product. So don't rush it. I'm going to show you that in this particular video. So if you're going to spend $109 a month, right? Above a 14-day trial, you're going to spend $109 per month to actually get this product. Well, how much are you going to make? 30% of $109 is $38.7. So for each client you bring to this platform, you're going to earn about $38.7. That is what we're targeting. Right? And then this particular client goes ahead and subscribes for 12 months. That's a lot of money. Right? But let's say you get each client you get a client every day, which is very, very little. Very, very poor. That's the best minimum you get every day is a client. Right? So let's say you get a client every day for 30 days. All right? It will book a client every day for 30 days. That is about $38.7 per day multiplied by 30 days or by 31 days. By 30 days, okay, really, let's do 30 days. It gives us about $1,161 per month. So each month you're going to make about $1,000 or $161 every month. Very, very possible. Because now if you get that of the first month, right? In fact, of the first month, and next month you still put in the work again, the other month you put in the work again. So let's say you get 30 clients a month, 30 clients a month, and it's recurring, you're going to make a lot of money. So this is a real business. Right? So right now, what I'm going to do next right now is after you've signed up, right? After you've joined them, you're going to get your link, which is going to be like this. You're going to get your link and you're going to share this link, all right? You're going to share it everywhere on social media and more. Now, we're not going to be actually sharing on social media. I'm going to show you how we're going to share to your direct link. Now, how do we do this? We're going to use this particular tool right here. So I've got lots of videos billions of visitors every month, and that is Google, right? So you can actually leverage on Google and actually tap some of the wealth. We can tap a little bit of wealth from Google, right? How do you do that? Just know how to use Google, all right? So the people who have businesses online and you want to reach out to them. So let's say there are people. Let's use a particular part of this business online, which is selling of courses. People have courses that they like, paid courses, and want people to actually have access to these paid courses. But they need to promote these paid courses. All right. So now, if you can get someone who has paid courses and they want to promote these paid courses, you're actually on the way to making money online. All right. So let's search for those roads. Let's search for something like buy. Oh, this is in caps lock. Let's search for something like buy video editing courses. Right? We'll click on enter. Good. So right now, the first one I chose was Udemy. It will be to ignore that. So you see, Coursera, basically editing courses online with certificates, video editing classes online. Right? So there are different websites like Coursera, and there are people who are right here that have courses on video editing. You can actually make money with this video editing training in Lagos. Right? So look at this. This is video editing training in Lagos. So this is a video editing training in 11, but we'll click it open. I'm supposed to open this in a new tab. All right, so open this in a new tab. I'm going to go back on this one. All right. Right, so this website is not really great, right? So, but this particular person, actually what it does is that he teaches people how to edit videos, right? And has a course on that. And I didn't discuss the outline. So what you have to do is you're going to use this. Just scroll all the way down. We're going to find something. We're looking for something. And what we're looking for is the contact information. Information, right? So this is the contact information right here. This is the number, right? But then this is what we're looking for here, and that is the email address, right? So what we're going to do is we're actually going to copy this email address and write them an email telling them that we've seen their website, that we want to help them make more money by actually getting more conversions. So like just go to the homepage. You're going to see what we're going to pitch them with. All right, we're going to help the website and get them conversions by 15% in under 15 minutes. All right, or by 15% in a month. A month is actually 15% in a month is actually a lot, right? For this person, right? For this kind of a person, 50% is actually a lot. So it means they're earning about 1 million naira or 2 million naira a month to actually help them do better than that. All right. So tell them, pitch to them, write to them that you're actually going to help them to actually increase their conversion. All right. So this is for just one audience, which is photo editing. All right. Videography or video editing. So there are lots more right here, limiting online courses and programs. Now, there are lots of them right here. Just scroll the way down. In Google will actually provide you everything you're looking for. So you can actually go ahead, look for, buy, photo editing course, buy, graphics course, and then all of those things that like just go to the niche, course niche and focus on one keyword, go for it, and once you're done with it, get to the next keyword, all right? And if you do this over and over again, you can get to the point where you get a client every other day, and you make at least $1,161 every month by doing this, all right? So, with that being said, guys, I'm going to allow you guys to put into action what I've shown you in this particular video, right?